Good morning and happy Monday. Happy December. Gabriella with Tahoe.com bringing you this week's lake report from South Lake Tahoe. Mostly sunny skies today with a few clouds here and there and a high of 47 degrees. Winds are light and variable around 4 miles an hour. It's a nice calm and glassy day on the lake, as you can see. The rest of the week is looking like a mix of sun and clouds with temperatures in the 40s and 50s, so a little warmer than the last couple of weeks, and no snow is in the forecast. Let's talk events. Here's what's going on in Lake Tahoe this week. The North Tahoe Community Choir is presenting their holiday concert to kick off the Christmas season. That's happening Thursday through Saturday in Incline Village at St. Patrick's Church. Diamond Peak is doing their kickoff party at Alibi Ale Works on Friday. This party celebrates the official start of ski season here in Lake Tahoe. They're going to be doing an ugly sweater contest, so wear your ugliest sweater if you want to win. And we also have a holiday tree lighting happening at the North Tahoe Event Center. There's going to be hot chocolate and soup. There's going to be photos with Santa. A very cozy and festive evening to get you into the holiday spirit. For all the details on these events, as well as everything else happening around Lake Tahoe this week, head to Tahoe.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next week.